Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove proudly created with Wix on your Wix website. This is something many website owners want to do to give their site a cleaner, more professional look without that default branding at the bottom. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Site and Mobile App. When you do this, a drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website settings and management options. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This is important because you want to make sure that you're working on the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Double check that this is indeed the site where you want to remove the proudly created with Wix text. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, right beside the pen icon. This button is your gateway to making design changes to your website. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens, and the process from here is actually quite straightforward and simple. Navigate down to the very bottom of your page and locate your footer. The footer is that section at the base of your website, and it's where the proudly created with Wix text is usually placed by default. Click on the footer to select it. Once you've clicked on the footer, you'll see a quick edit button appear. Click on it and the right side menu will pop up on your screen. This menu gives you full control over the footer content. From here, you can edit the paragraph where the proudly created with Wix text is located. You have the option to simply delete that specific text or rephrase it to something that better represents your brand. However, one fast and easy way to handle this is to delete the paragraph entirely. This removes the text completely and gives your footer a much cleaner appearance. It's worth noting that while you can remove the footer text, the banner that appears at the top of your site during the free plan requires a premium subscription to be removed. So, if you're still seeing branding at the top, you'll need to upgrade your plan to get rid of that as well. And that's it. You've successfully removed the proudly created with Wix text from your website's footer, giving your site a more polished and professional finish. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.